Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to remove line spacing gap between the lines in MS Word with keyboard shortcut key. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, you can see I have opened already MS Word file. In this I have some text. In this each and every line you can see this spacing between the line. If you want to remove this spacing between the lines with a keyboard shortcut key, you need to press Alt O P. You can see the window has been opened, which you call as paragraph window. In this you can see a spacing section, before and after. In before section you need to keep as 0. In after section also you need to keep as 0. In line spacing section you can see here by default it is multiple. You need to click and select as single. After selecting single, click OK. You can see the line spacing gap between the lines has been removed with a keyboard shortcut key. That's it guys. So in this way you can remove line spacing gap between the line with a keyboard shortcut key in MS Word. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.